Hi children, how are you doing today? Hope all of you are doing fine. Welcome to our school, Sri Veda, the Universe School. I am Kamala and our subject is English and you are in grade 1. So, what was yesterday, what you have learned in your previous class? In your previous class, we have learned the poem. I gave you some words to underline. Did you underline and learn them? Today, let us once read the words and I have explained you about one and many. About one and many like pen, pens, ball, balls like that. So what we are doing today? Today we are reading the poem using the phonic sounds. Yes? Before that, first one time let us read the spellings because today I am giving you homework of writing these spellings for 2 or 3 times. So first let us read the spellings. First one is what? Turtle. So how you have to read the turtle? Turtle. Turtle. Friend. Friend. Crawl. Crawl. Or shore. Dive. Dive. Sometimes I gives I sound, sometimes E sound. So dive. Swim, swims. This is how you have to read using the phonic sounds. Now, do you remember the meanings of this one? What is turtle? Turtle is tortoise. Yes, that one you know. Friend. You know who is a friend. Crawl. What did I tell you? Crawl. Yes, pakar down. Using your body touching on the ground and moving. Moving your body touching on the ground like a reptiles, lizard, snake, tortoise. They move touching on the ground. So, shore. What is shore? Shore is the place, the land before water. If any water body starts like a river or sea, then there will be some sand before that one. That is called the shore. I told you turtles can live in water and on land also. If you take out a fish from water, it will die. It cannot live on land. But a turtle can live in water and on land also. That's why it's going inside into the sea, again coming outside, nicely playing on the shore, again going inside. So shore. Dive. What I said, dive, to jump into the water is dive. Swims. All of you know what is swimming. Very good. So, all of you now open your course book. Always when you are starting your video, keep your course book and workbook with you. So that when I ask you to open your book, you can open nicely. So, open your course book, volume 1, page number 6. Your lesson, turtles. Yes, children? Now, let us read using the phonic sounds. So, are you ready? Yes. 1. O-N-E is 1. You have learned number names, no? 1. Baby. Baby. First line is 1 baby turtle alone and true. Now let us see how we read. 1 baby turtle. Turtle. Alone. And true. That's how you read. 1 baby turtle alone and true. Second line. Finds a friend and then there are 2. Now let us see. Finds. Like the dive. Dive. Finds. A is a. And friend. And. The and then. The there. Are. TW is 2. So, finds a friend and then there are 2. Next line. 2 baby turtles crawl down to the sea. TW is 2. That one you have to remember. In your phonics class, Madam told you that there are some words which you have to remember. They are called the sight words, which you have to just remember the spelling and the sound. Like TWO is 2. Baby turtles, turtles. Crawl, crawl. Down, down. T-O-2. T-H is the. S-E-C. S is S. E-C. S-E is E. C. Here we have not written C. C is what? A large water body like river. Samudram antar kada pettaga. There's much water. So that is a C. Now let us read the third line. They find another one. Then there are 3. The A. They. F in the find again. F in the find. An other. Another or an other, another. A and the and the and then the other. R 3. THRE is 3. They find another one, then they are 3. Now let us go for the next line. 3 baby turtles move along the shore. 3. THRE is 3. You have learned the number names. It's 3 only. B. Baby. Turtles. Moo. Along. The. Sh or shore. Sh or shore. 3 baby turtles move along the shore. Next line. They find another one. Then there are 4. Again they. F in find. An other, another. A and. The and then. The other. F-O-U-R 4. F or 4. They find another one. Then there are 4. Next line. 4 baby turtles go for a dive. F or 4. B baby. Turtles. G or go. F or for. A. We dive. Eve dive. Here you have to remember where you are getting I sound and when you are getting E sound. Next, last line. Up swims another. Then there are 5. Up swims another. So you up. Sw in swims. And other, another. And the and then. The other. R 5. So if I 5. So that is how you have to read using the phonic sounds. You just keep on listening and then try to read like that. So what is the full poem? Have you learned it? Do you know without seeing? One baby turtle alone and true. It finds a friend and then there are 2. 2 baby turtles crawl down to the sea. They find another one, then there are 3. 3 baby turtles move along the shore. They find another one, then there are 4. 4 baby turtles go for a dive. Up swims another, then there are 5. You learn the poem like that, children. Yes? And previous class I gave you one homework. What was it? Workbook. So, have you done your homework in your workbook? Very easy or not? Just they were given some words. They were given some words and you have to arrange them in alphabetical order. That's it. Very easy or not? Means you have to find the word which starts with A. Then you have to find the word which starts with B. Yes? Have you written? Yes. So, what I am doing? Today with today's class, you got the picture of this page so that you can just compare your answers whether you have written right or not. If you have written any word wrong, you can just correct it by seeing in this page. Yes, children? So, for today, I am giving you homework. Write these spellings, the ones which you have underlined. Page 6. New words. How many times? 3 times. Page 6 spellings. How many times? 6 times. 3 times. This is your homework, children. When you are writing, don't write just when you are writing turtle, don't write T, 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 and then U, R. This one is wrong. You should not write like that. If you write like that, you won't get the spelling, children. You will never get it. If you have to learn the spelling, you have to write always the full spelling. When you are writing 3 times, Turtle, turtle. Read with the phonic sound. Turtle. Again, Turtle, turtle. Like that you have to write. Never write like this. If you write like this, you won't get the spelling. Yes, children? So, that's for today. Again, in the next class, we are going for the next page number 8, where we are going to learn some blends. Yes, children?